pre-assign a breakout room in your Center College Zoom meeting, simply go to center.zoom.us and log in with your Center credentials. Once you've logged in, select Schedule a Meeting. And after you put in all of your meeting information, including title, duration, time, meeting ID number, and others, you can scroll down to the bottom and under Meeting Options, you will see Breakout Room Pre-Assign. Once you've selected that, add a breakout room assignment. On the left-hand side, click on the plus sign, and it will allow you to add participants to your breakout room on the right-hand side. When you're done putting in all the information for all the participants, click Save. And then after you've scrolled through and decided all of the rest of your meeting parameters, you can click Save again to save all of the meeting information. After you're in your meeting, click on the Breakout Room tab. You will then see your individual breakout rooms, and by clicking on them, you can see who is assigned to those particular breakout rooms. In order to allow one of your participants in a breakout room to record the video, they first have to ask for your help, and once they've asked for your help, you, as the host, can join that breakout room. After the participant has notified the host that he needs some assistance, the host can then join the breakout room, and then he can go down to the Participants tab and click on that, and then go to the participant, click on More, and then go down to Allow to Record. The participant is then allowed to begin recording the session. Once in the breakout room, the host can broadcast a message to all the participants in that room. Another feature is the Close All Rooms button, which allows you to do just that with one click.